Welcome back to Euro Truck Simulator 2 with me, Chili Smith, driving for Sweet Truckle. Part 31. Bing! We are currently in... Oh, where are we? In Denmark. In Frederikshavn. I want to come down country, so through Aalborg. I thought I'd been there, you know. Kiel, Travemünde, Rostock, I've heard of that. Bremen, Berlin, we know Berlin, Magdeburg, Hanover, I've heard of that. Onnesbruck, heard of that. Dortmund, definitely. Cologne, Kassel, Erfurt, Leipzig. Dresden. We got Poland then. Right. Wonderful, wonderful Copenhagen. We have 3 jobs, that's it. So we have Gothenburg across to Sweden. Short journey. Taking an ice cream. Ooh, frozen octopus to Jönköping. Sounds Japanese, huh? Or we can take a diesel generator. A harmonic generator. Is he big? He looks dangerous. He's high value. It's important. It's an Arctic. Oh, it's a double trailer. Oh my lord. This could be good, you know. How far is it? We've got 16 tons of diesel generator pulled by an Iveco. Ah, I double clicked it. That's the job then. Ah, dear. I made my mind up for myself there, didn't I?
Let's get this job done.
Let's get this job done, doggy. Let's get the lights on first, because... So have a look at our truck. Look at it, it's huge. I've got to get it out that door over there. It's a bit tight, isn't it? I'm not even going to get it out of the yard, you know. Right, we've got to get on with it because time is of the essence in the truck driving business. How she get Sweet Truckle for it? Right. I'm checking the fuel. I think we're going to be alright, but I'm going to keep my eye on it this time because last time I ran out of fuel. Well, I don't want to run out of fuel in something this size. I'm thinking because of the size of this, I've got to do this in the yard just to get it out. Make sure I'm going the right way. Yeah, swing it right round. I'm going left, so that's lucky really. Because if I was going right, it'd be really hard. Hard with a H. Come on, doggy, tell me where we're going. Is it an electric vehicle? I think it might be, you know. It's very quiet. An electric Iveco, maybe. I can't see if anything's coming. I've just got to pull out. And just hope
Turn right.
Hits me. Right. Oh no, I'm on the wrong side. Could have swore that was left. Right, okay. This is going to be hard. Oh, I can't even see out the back. I can't see if I'm going to hit the wall. The other view. What another view? What a different view. The opposite side. So I wanted to be on the other side there, didn't I? Should I just back it up and then go back out a bit for... No. Just have a look. Okay. Can I drive like this? I can drive like this, but it's not ideal, is it? I'm trying to get that cab, that trailer, round that bend. I've got myself in a bit of a pickle already, haven't I? With this bloody thing. I think we're alright there, you know. I'm on the total wrong side of the road. Blocking
Turn left.
traffic. I think I'm out. Let's check the back end. Make sure I'm not going to hit the other side. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's get back in cab. We need to get there. But it's going to take a while because the vehicle's bloody mahoosive. I've got to go left. Oh, just wait. Don't slam the brakes on like that when you're going at speed either, because that's just going to, like, not be good. Right, so we are hauling a diesel generator. I thought we'd go out on the back. I thought we'd see a big thing, not a cab. It's not very heavy. We're going to Kiel. Kiel. We ever heard that before in the UK? Kiel. It's in Devon or Cornwall. Cornwall, I think. Kiel. Rings a bell. Look, I've got to take my time because it's huge. Straight on. Get round that bend, are we alright? We're on it, we're on the road. Let's get going. I hope it's pretty straight. Roundabout. No roundabout. Don't walk roundabouts. Don't want traffic lights. Don't mind traffic lights. 50 miles an hour.
Go straight.
Thanks, Dougie. Yellow car in the mirror. 5 points to me. Ha ha ha. You're too slow. Go on. Brum brum brum. What was it? Little Skoda. Something like that. I've got to keep my eye on the fuel. It's not a... Not an electric wagon. It's just got electric dash, I think. It might be electric. Can't see a gear stick, but it's dark, so there could be one there. Look at me going along, driving like a mother trucker. Anyway, welcome back to another exciting edition of Sweet Truck All Career Mode. I hope you're all having a wonderful afternoon. And you're not just a bot making it look like people are actually watching this. I'm just talking to myself. Like I say, I talk to myself anyway. This is what I do when I drive in my head. When I'm on the motorway, don't have radio on, just talk to myself and chuckle. Give myself a little I'll look, I'll see how far the miles are, and I'll go, right, I want to be there. I should be there in the next 40 minutes. And then I'll be like, oh, that was right. So then I'll try and do bigger ones. Try and work out what time I'm going to get to X amount of place. Oh, keep left. I indicated good time. Slow down. Bring down the gears. I don't want to be there, do I? Further up. I hope it's not tight, and it's not one of them silly, really silly ones. I'm going to stay in the middle lane, even though I'm going left, because I want the swing. Are they traffic lights, or is it just straight through? Either way, I'm going too fast.
Exit left.
I am. I'm just want that guy on the inside to go past me, because he's not going to wait, is he? Of course he won't going to wait. Why would you wait when you got... Oh! That was good braking. How the hell has he got right away? I was looking up there. Oh my lord. Scheissenhausen? I think that means poo. If you know what I mean. Oh, that's... Oh, my heart's in my chest. It's made me jump. I can't believe we didn't crash. And we didn't skid. And nothing crashed into the back of us. It was that silly sausage in the car that went on the inside of us. I was paying attention to him. I was looking up the road because that's the way the road was coming as I was turning. And the guy from the opposite side tried to cut, well, obviously just pulled out. Not sure how it works in Europe. I know in France, I think it's France, if you are coming onto a motorway, you have right of way, where in the UK, you going onto motorway, or onto any carriageway, it's, you don't have right of way. The moving traffic has right of way. So I think in that respect it is different. I believe. I mean, don't like take it for granted. It's just what I believe. Right. Let's get this. Oh, where are you going? Get back in the side of the road you're supposed to be on. Don't matter, nothing's going to hit me coming the other way because it's a dual carriageway, but you know what I mean. Better be safe than sorry. It's a big long truck and I don't give a damn. Beep, beep. Oh, you've got a rubbish one as well. Oh, it's echo in the tunnel. Echo, 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 echo. What's it sound like out? Bit monotone for me. I prefer the honk honk. Dougie's quiet, isn't he? I think I think he's tired. He gets grumpy when he's tired. Don't say much. I've run out of tea.
Go straight.
Oh, I've run out. A cup of tea's run out. I thought I had a bit left. Never mind. I'll have a brew when we get to the destination. The final destination of this afternoon's recordings. So I've got to go to work. See him coming in there, is he just going to cut me up? Or is he going to wait? I don't know. I had nowhere to go. Good job he didn't pull out, because I'd have been stuck. See, sometimes when there's lines, they don't stop. And sometimes when there's not lines, they do stop. It's a bit confusing. I'm going 49 in an 80. He's got a double trailer and he's tanking it, so maybe I need to put my foot down a bit.
Go straight.
Thanks, Dougie. I'm going to turn right, well, not turning left, but it's a big sweep, so I'm not going to go up a gear yet. I've got double, he's braking up there, so that says to me, is he braking, is it just his lights? Yeah, it's definitely braking there, look. Well, episode 31, did I say? Okay, was it 32? I don't know anymore. I have to have a look at the last video every time I make a new one because I forget. I'm getting old. My birthday on Sunday, I'm getting older. There you go. Right, let's get around this bend. Oh, said the monkey. Let's get to, don't want to go 10th. 9th will do, because I'll get carried away in that speed.
Go straight.
Thanks, Doug. It's night time and the stars are out. Ooh, Aarhus, Aarhus, in the middle of our street. Aarhus, in the middle of our street. Aarhus was a castle and a keep. Aarhus, in the cab we're gonna sleep. Yeah, let's make up songs as we go along. Aarhus. Name of the band. It's not hard. Put in the comments below. Let me know you're not a bot. Give me a comment. Give me a like, please. Subscribe if you want to. Don't have to. But we're going to be journeying along all Christmas because as of Tuesday, I'm off for the whole week. And I intend to be doing quite a bit of driving. It's the upload times that do me in up to YouTube. I mean, they're not really long videos, or they are. I mean, thinking about it, I mean, the size of the files in HD that I'm putting up, I mean, they're like 20 gigabytes. And 20 years ago, that'd take you a week, probably 2. So, count your chickens. You'd have been on
straight.
dial-up, 256k. There's no way you could even entertain a game like this. Online, anyway. I don't think if there has been games like this before 2000, let me know, because I'd like to know what they look like. What did they look like? Did people was there driving simulators, truck driving simulators? And I know there was like Microsoft Flight Simulator. Don't say that on here. Sorry. Swearing. He's a big truck. It's not as big as mine though. I've got double trailer. Gotta keep that in mind. Herning, Aarhus. Dog's fast asleep on the bed now. She managed to jump up.
Go straight.
I'll take her next door to Grandad before I go to work. The wife comes home, picks her up from next door. So she loves going to Grandad's for a few hours in between. Big moon. Ow! Full moon. Full moon. I see a full moon rising. Don't want no copyright. Change the words. Don't go out tonight, 'cause Chili Smith's on the road. You probably get run over. It don't even mind. Anyway, you're looking forward to Christmas, or if you don't do Christmas, you're looking forward to having a bit of a break and a holiday. Because not everyone celebrates Christmas, you know. People have different faiths and that. You have to respect it. Myself, you know, something made us, didn't it? Even if it was an alien shagging a monkey. Or an entity that created us. Or are we in a simulation ourselves? That's the latest theory, isn't it? I don't know. But you know, they're talking about quantum levels, and we don't live in a quantum level, so it's irrelevant. Time on that scale is not relevant to how we see things. We slow everything down to a vibration that we can see it at, without having our brain and slowing it all down so we can understand it. It's just light, energy, frequency, vibration. Oh, that's what I think. That's why you get a nice feeling when you see someone you like, because you've got that energy between you, and that's why you get a negative feeling when you see someone you know's a bit of trouble. You get that little, you know. I think it's a skill that's being lost in the generations. I mean, the youth of today that struggles to give you eye contact. They're happy to give
Keep right.
all the eye
Then exit
contact
right.
to their phones, but increasingly hard to have a conversation
right.
with without feeling you're going to say something wrong at 52. If you know what I mean. Lots of things offend people these days. You have to be really careful. I work at university, so yeah, fragile eggs some days. The students, some of them are fragile eggs sometimes, because you know we've got stress on the shoulders, you know, pressure. We have a lot of foreign students. You know, cost them parents a lot of money, and that will let them down and all that, you know. And they have to learn English before they can even study. They have to come early and do courses and things.
Keep left and then continue straight.
Anyway. Towards Hamburg.
Go straight.
Not sure where you want me to go, Dougie. That was a bit confusing. Luckily there wasn't any turn-offs, I don't think. To the left. Yeah, come on. To the right. Yeah, come on. Else I would have gone wrong. I'm definitely keeping better speed. And better eye on... Lots of rest stops up here. Is that a hint? I don't think so. I think we're okay. No, his legs ain't even red, blue. He's still got life in him. Full moon. Every full moon I have a fire in the back garden. I've got a fire pit. I do. And we bay at the moon. Ow! Me and the wife. And her mum comes out from next door, joins in. 86. She always brings us some wood that she's chopped down from the trees and stuff. Always in the garden. Never stops. Granddad's always in the garage making bird boxes and stuff like that. Lovely people. Do 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 do. Ba 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 ba. Oh, cherry pink and apple blossom white. Remember that one from the 80s? Who sang that? Weren't Pat Bianco, was it? Someone similar. I don't know. One hit wonders. Oh, cherry pink and apple blossom white. Vorne. I remember all these songs because back in there in the UK we had a program called Top of the Pops, and it was like Thursday night gold. Everyone watched it. Friday morning at school, everyone talked about it. It's when we still had 3 channels. Before Channel 4. It was going for years. It stopped recently because, I don't know. Maybe bands couldn't perform live anymore. Maybe they haven't got the talent. Who knows? Or maybe there's just too many international bands topping the UK charts that you can't afford to bring them over, you know. They're too busy on schedule in States and Canada and Korea. Doing no K-pop stuff. Hey. I'm an old school type of guy. Old school. As in 1989, 1992. Old school. Breakbeat, techno, hardcore, all that stuff. Orbital. SL2, 808 State, Left Field, all those, you know. I was a DJ club. Oh, it's raining. Wipers. Thanks. Well, Doug don't really need to tell me it's raining, does he? I can see that for myself. It's just me being lazy. Ba 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 ba. 1 hour 52 to go. 116 clicks. Not sure what the parking situation is going to be like when we get there. Might just skip it. Not too fussed about parking something this size, if I'm honest. Unless it's easy. Depends what the entrance is like. And if the entrance is like the exit where we started, I'd rather just skip it than damage the trailer. That makes sense. If I can get in the yard, I'll give it a go. Oh, here we go. Sandwich. Go on, I'm letting you out. Have a chili Smith sandwich there. Tastes good. But I didn't want eating just yet. Rather enjoying this journey. Don't know what it says. Can't read it. I can't read Swedish. We've got to go on a boat. Have we done? No, we did that bit, didn't we? At the start. Or was that last one? That was the last one. Making good time. Come and join me on a journey for a sweet tropical. On the road is where you find me, just give me a call. Slow down then. Don't want to brake, just cruising. Jump in beside me and strap yourself in. A honk on the horn, let the journey begin. Something like that. I wrote a song. It's on my channel.
Keep right.
I'm
Then exit
keeping
right.
in AI about. Not here, not here. It is here.
Exit right.
Oh. You fucker, Doug.
Go straight.
That wasn't Doug's fault. That was the map being very confusing. Just didn't look like it had a turn in it. Luckily, I looked at the sign above my head and it said Kiel. Kiel's a university. Kiel's a service station. That's what it is.
Keep right.
Keele. And I think it's on the M5. Kiel services. Oh, that's sharp for a double trailer, isn't it? Right, okay. Real slow. I don't care if it's boring. I don't want to damage my load, which is what you do in real life. Look at it. You can't drive this thing fast. Although I've just been going 70 miles an hour. Or no, 56. It's the top speed you're allowed to go.
Keep left.
Don't think I was going that speed. I'll give them an indication here. Let them know where it's going. Seems as we're a big vehicle. So is this articulated? What's that, 210? Is that the name of the road? Ooh, I don't like this. It's dark. I can't see very well. It's raining. We're almost there though. Merge. Kiel, mental. Oh, there's different places in Kiel. Okay. Don't get there if you don't put your foot on the accelerator, though, will you? No. But a nice drive, this one. For my long trailer. I do, ah! Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening me. Timing. What's that? 80. Alright. 26 miles to go. Kilometres. 30 minutes. Not sure what that is in real time. 7? 5? Don't know, but it's getting a bit. Felt like I'm going a bit fast there for that bend. Probably was. I'm going to be going right along here. That thunder sounds great, isn't it? Lightning. It does in my headset. I don't know how loud it'll be on the recording. Hopefully.
Keep right, and then exit right.
It'll be the same, eh?
Exit right.
I am. It's another tight one, so I'm going to take the time again. Because I'm not silly. Woo! Bright light, bright light, bright light. Don't hit the barrier. Don't hit the barrier. Almost there. Ica. Aye. Well, we're not going there. With our iced coffee.
Keep right.
Oh,
and
okay.
Then turn right.
Okay.
Turn right.
That's not really right, is it? You say turn right when you should say straight on. You say straight on when you should say turn right. On the wrong side of the road again. How many times have I done that in this game? At the roundabout, take the third exit. Well, you're not talking to me, Dougie. Did you see that geek knobber going and trying to go on the inside of me? This one coming up.
Get ready
Exit
to
now.
turn right. Turn right.
I'm turning right, just slowly, because there's no rush. We're almost there. And we've got a big bend to get round at the top, and then a sweeping bit. Yellow car, 5 points. I'm well ahead now. No pedestrians crossing there. Not at 4:10 in the morning. That's why it's so quiet.
Keep right, and then turn right.
Thanks, Doug. Let's hope the traffic lights stay green, eh?
Turn right.
Every time. Almost there. Mother truckers. Have a quick look. There we go. Quick look. Not sure of what. I'm going to hit that post. It feels so close. It's really hard when you can't see the back of the second trailer. I do not envy people that have to drive this sort of wagon. Actually, on the way home from work last night, I live in a village called Heysham, which is has a dock that goes to the Isle of Man and Island, not Isle of Man Island, Isle of Man and Island. So we have a lot of trucks going by on the bypass, and as I approaching the roundabout on the way home from work, there was an escort vehicle waiting, and as I approached, this 70-odd foot long trailer that was pulling a load of big metal pipes went past, and I was just like, that's me when I get home. But I didn't envy him, because like that job's so hard to drive those things. He'd have been heading for the M6, but yeah, it was really cool to see it, because obviously don't crash. They're going. It just reminded me of this. It was like, oh, that's so cool. It's the first one I've seen coming out of there. Just timed it right, I guess. Oh, there's a police station.
Keep right, and then turn right.
There must be a donut shop around here somewhere.
Turn right.
Thanks, Dougie. Don't hit anything you've done so far, so...
Turn left.
Well, so far, so well. Where? That entrance there. Okay, I think it's going to swing open when I get to it, innit? Ooh. Just make sure. Yeah. Go on then. You let me go. You watch him drive forward and hit me now, fucker. Sorry, bugger. Love the trucker. Keep it straight. Get it in. Yeah, baby.
It's all over now.
It's all over now. Sounds like a song, Douglas. Oh, it's all over now. Is that it? No, that's not it. I think it's Slade. Something like that. Park it up. Where do you want it? It's not a 170. Thank God, I can do anything. I'm not that skilled yet. Look, obviously, it won't let me click it. Imagine backing this up. Oh, I couldn't think of anything harder. Just there. Looks easy, but I bet it isn't. Right. Please. Please, 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 please. Be as easy as cottage cheese. I can get my nose in and get the front in. I'm assuming the back will follow, won't it? Yeah! Oh my lord! Oh, that was amazing. Tell the windscreen wipes off. I get excited over the small things, don't I? Look at that. 786 XP. Is that a lot? Seems a lot. Ooh, so level 15's professional, eh? Oh, there you go. Where are we now? We are in Kiel in Germany. Excellent. So, Oh, it didn't give us Old Borg on the way through. Okay, that's all right. It's quite a nice drive, so we can always go back up to there. Maybe across to Sweden after that, and back down into Germany and finish off the Netherlands, because we've only got Groningen to do. Groningen. And maybe get up over to Dover, the White Cliffs. Birmingham. And head up that way. And then we can go, look at it. It's huge. My friend is driving from here in the UK, where we live, and she's driving for Christmas all the way through to Poland, and I believe she goes this way or something. I've told her to write down the exact route so I can try and emulate it, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for joining me again. That was a really good episode. I enjoyed that. I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.